Okay, this is the first tutorial for the multiplayer shooter. I've got a few basic things. I've got a room. I've got three sprites, two players, and the ground. So I'll just name this one differently. The ground, it's not really important what color it is. We just need it for now in order to test jumping. I'm gonna tell you how to jump. We need the player. It can go left and right. For left, set the horizontal speed to -3, and for the right, I suggest 3. Those are nice numbers. Whenever you release them, make sure it's set to 0 again. Okay, the first event is a step event. This step event always happens. Whatever happens, it's always there. So we're gonna we're gonna put this of the position. If it's collision free, there's gravity 0.5. 0.5 is a nice number. Don't make it too high down, otherwise you can't even see your character anymore. We'll just shoot down. Okay. Um, Again 270. That direction 270. Otherwise it's going to the left or the right or something like that. 270 is straight down. All right. We've got this else and then set the gravity to 0. We need two more things. When the variable v speed, so that's your vertical speed, is equal to, let's say, 10, easy number, then a variable v speed, vertical speed, becomes 8. Okay, that's gonna work. Now we need to be able to jump. Of course, we need an up. Up is the most common button. Okay, if there's a collision at this coordinate, don't forget this one. Put in relative here. If you forget to do this one, you can jump wherever, whenever you want. And now you can only jump if there is a collision at point 0.1. So that means basically beneath the character. So if it's standing on something, it can jump. That's logical. And we make the vertical speed upwards by 10, which is -10 in this case, because otherwise it's going down. -10. Basically because we put 10 here, we need -10 there, and it should be able to jump now. Okay, I've made a basic room already. You can see it. Look, oh, we went straight through the ground. Silly mistake. We need a collision with the ground, and then we say the vertical speed becomes 0. Okay, now it should work. Okay, there we go. We can jump. Of course, this jump is pretty high, but you can change it. Well, that's the point for now, and the idea is that if you want to change the height of your jump, you should change this one. For example, we make the value 5, and we change the one with the up button. We make it -5 instead of -10. Both of them, change both of them. If you change either of them, it's not gonna work. And you'll see the jump is not as high anymore. No, there we are dead. Okay, this is how you're supposed to make your character jump. Um, these are basic settings. You can use them for whatever character. Make sure you use different controls, otherwise you're controlling both at the same time. And I hope you learned something from it. I'm gonna make more tutorials on this multiplayer shooter soon.